We go from here to here. All custom bent exhaust tubing. Check coated. Ready for takeoff. Let's fly.